Good morning. This is the Global Stock Investor Show. Welcome, global investors. Today, I'll be going over the global banking sector, part 7. I'm going to give you guys 5 companies. But before I jump into that, this is what the market's looking like. I'm up 1.18%, $65. This is my second year. Pretty much, I have 70 corporations, and pretty much my strategy now. Well, my stocks, they range from 1,000 all the way down to $1. Scroll all the way down, as you can see. Pretty much my strategy with my portfolio is I'm pretty much in moderate phase. And what I do with moderate investing, I purchase 60% stocks, 30% index funds. That's something new. So I'm gonna let you guys know. Probably 1st of March, I'll start buying index funds and showing what index funds are the best. Um, and then 5% bonds. I'll also show you guys the bonds that I'll be purchasing off of here. They're ETF bonds, and then 5% precious metals. As of now, I'm starting off small, so pretty much I'm gonna start buying gold bars. I bought already a 5 ounce. The next one is a 10 ounce. So I'm pretty much, once I get enough confidence with buying silver bars, I'm gonna go up to platinum, and then platinum I'll go up to gold bar. But that's gonna be another process. But pretty much that's pretty much my strategy for my portfolio. So let's jump into it. Global banking sector, part 7. The first global banking company is Legg Mason. Okay, let's look at Legg Mason. Let's look at the 5-year. As you can see, currently in the bear market, peaked around 58.92 back in 2015 in February. Currently in the bear market, market price $28.86. About Legg Mason Incorporated, also called Legg Mason, is a global asset management company. It provides investment management and related services to institutional and individual clients, company-sponsored mutual funds, and other pooled investment vehicles through financial intermediaries. The company's investment products include pro proprietary mutual funds ranging from money market and other liquidity products to fixed income and equity funds. Other domestic and offshore funds offered to both retail and institutional investors, and funds of hedge funds. The firm conducts business through asset managers, which provide separate account investment management services to institutional clients, including pension and other retirement plans, corporations, insurance companies, endowments and foundations, and governments, and to high net worth individuals and families, and also sponsor and manage various groups of mutual funds. Legg Mason was founded in 1981 and is headquartered in Baltimore, Maryland. The current CEO is Joe Sullivan. Employees 3,275. Headquarters Baltimore, Maryland. Founded in 1981. Market cap 2.46 billion. Dividend yield 2.76. Buy 31%, hold 54%. Those two together more than 75%. That is the first global banking company. The second global banking company is Fifth Third Bank. Let's look at the Fifth Third. Let's look at the 5-year. Nice upward trend. Peaked around, give it about $34. Currently coming out of a bear market. Market price $27.62. About Fifth Third Bancorp engages in the provision of banking and financial services, retail and commercial banking, consumer lending services, and investment advisory services through its subsidiary, Fifth Third Bank. It operates through the following segments: commercial banking, branch banking, consumer lending, and wealth and asset management. The commercial banking segment offers credit intermediation, cash management, and financial services to large and middle market businesses. The branch banking segment provides deposit, loan, and lease products to individuals and small businesses. The consumer lending segment includes residential mortgage, home equity, automobile, and indirect lending activities. The wealth and asset management segment provides investment alternatives for individuals, companies, and not for profit organizations. The company was founded in 1975 and is headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio. The current CEO is Gregory D. Carmichael. Employees 18,125. Headquarters Cincinnati, Ohio. Founded in 1975. Market cap 17.83 billion. Dividend yield 3.14. Nice. Buy 27%, hold 69%. Those two together more than 75%. The third global banking company is KKR Company. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. Pretty much, after 2006 was a big dip. Pretty much, they did a steady little incline. Currently in the bear market, trying to come out of it. They peaked around $28. Current market price is $22.50. About KKR and Company Incorporated provides investment and private equity asset management services. It manages investments across multiple asset classes, includes private equity, energy, infrastructure, real estate, credit, and hedge funds. The firm operates business through 4 business segments: private markets, public markets, capital markets, and principal activities. The private market segment is comprised of the global private equity business, which manages and sponsors a group of investment funds and vehicles that invest capital for long-term appreciation, either through controlling ownership of a company or strategic minority positions. The public market segment is comprised primarily of the company fixed income businesses, which manage capital in liquid credit strategies such as leveraged loans and high yield bonds, and less liquid credit products. The capital market segment combines the assets acquired in the combination transaction with the company's global capital markets business. The principal activities segment manages the firm's own assets and deploys capital to support and grow the businesses. The company was founded by Henry R. Kravis and George R. Roberts in 1976 and is headquartered in New York City, New York. The current CEO is Henry R. Kravis and George Rosenberg Roberts. Employees 1,184. Headquarters New York City, New York. Founded in 1976. Market cap 11.72 billion. Dividend yield 3.18. Buy 80%, hold 20%. Those two together more than 75%. The fourth global banking company is Australia and New Zealand Banking Group. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. Ouch. Pretty much in a bear market. Looked like it tried to recover here, but it went back down into a bear market. Market price $18.46. It peaked way back in probably 2014, about $32. So Australia and New Zealand Banking Group Ltd provides banking, financial products, and services to retail, small businesses, corporate, and institutional clients. It operates its business through the following segments: Australia, institutional; New Zealand, wealth; Australia, Asia Retail and Pacific, Technology, Services and Operations, and Group Century, and other. The Australia segment comprises the retail and corporate and commercial business units which provides products and services to consumer and private banking customers in Australia via the branch network, mortgage specialists, the contact centuries, a variety of self-service channels, and third-party brokers, and banking services including traditional relationship banking and financial solutions through managers focusing on privately owned small, medium, and large enterprises as well as the agricultural businesses. The institutional segment refers to the transaction banking, loans, and specializes finance and market solutions. The New Zealand segment refers to the retail and commercial business units. The Wealth Australia segment comprises the insurance and funds management business units, which provide insurance, investment, and superannuation solutions. The Asia Retail and Pacific segment offers general banking and wealth management services to retail customers via relationship managers, branches, contact centuries, and a variety of self-service digital channels such as deposits, credit cards, loans, investments, and insurance, and products and services to retail customers, small to medium-sized enterprises, institutional customers, and governments located in the Pacific Islands. The Technology, Services, and Operations and Group Century segment provides support to the operating divisions including technology, operations, shared services, property, risk management, financial management, strategy, marketing, human resources, and corporate affairs, as well as group treasury, shareholder functions, enablement functions, and minority investments in Asia. The company was founded in 1970 and is headquartered in Docklands, Australia. ANZBY is listed on the pink current market tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group Incorporated, OTCMarkets.com. The current CEO is Shane Carey Elliott. Employees 39,924. Headquarters Docklands, Australia. Founded in 1970. Market cap 52.45 billion. Dividend yield 5.59. Pretty high. Buy 75%, hold 19%. Those two together more than 75%. So that's a go for Australia and New Zealand banking group. Last but not least is Westpac. Okay, let's go to the 5-year. As you can see, also this is in the current bear market. Market price 18.27. Probably the peak was back in 2014, about $33. About Westpac Banking Corp engages in the provision of banking and financial services. It operates through the following segments: Consumer Bank, Business Bank, BT Financial Group Australia, Westpac Institutional Bank, Westpac New Zealand, and group businesses. The Consumer Bank segment covers consumer banking products and services under the Westpac, St. George, Bank SA, Bank of Melbourne, and Rams brand. The Business Bank segment involves in sales and consumer service of small to medium enterprise, commercial, and agribusiness customers under the Westpac, St. George, Bank of Melbourne, and Bank SA brands. The BT Financial Group Australia segment manages wealth and insurance division. The Westpac Institutional Bank segment delivers a range of financial services to commercial, corporate, institutional, and government customers. The Westpac New Zealand segment comprises sales and service of banking, wealth, and insurance products for consumers, business, and institutional customers. The Group Businesses segment treasury, which is responsible for the management of the group's balance sheet, group technology, which includes functions for the Australian businesses, and core support, which covers functions performed centrally, including Australian banking operations, property services, strategy, finance, risk, compliance, legal, human resources, and customer and corporate relations. The company was founded in 1817 and is headquartered in Sydney, Australia. Wow. The current CEO is Brian Hartzer. Employees 35,029. Headquarters Sydney, Australia. Global Stock Investing, another one. Founded in 1817. Been around. Market cap 62.82 billion. Dividend yield 6.75. I've noticed those banks in Australia also are high dividends, along with Canada. Buy 44%, hold 38%. Those two together more than 75%. So there you have it. Those are the 5 global banking companies. And those 5 global banking companies for a total investment comes out to $115.85. In conclusion, Legg Mason, one share of Legg Mason is $28.96. Dividend yield 2.76. Fifth Third Bank, one share of Fifth Third Bank is $27.64. Dividend yield 3.14. KKR and Company, one share of KKR and Company is $22.52. Dividend yield 3.18. Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, one share of Australia and New Zealand Banking Group is $18.43. Dividend yield 5.59. Last but not least is Westpac. One share of Westpac is $18.30. Dividend yield 6.75. Outro. Subscribe to the channel. Comment any questions or recommendations you have. Like if the content was inspiring for you. And share this information with other global stock investors. While you're slaying dragons, I'll be taming them.